Isang sulit na budget phone ang nilabas ni Infinix, and this is the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus. This phone is priced below 9,000 pesos, and this one is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G100. Meron siyang IP54 na doesn't water resistance. 5 years ang kanyang fluency dito sa phone na ito. Meron din siyang sounds by JBL. 6.8mm lang ang kapal nito phone na ito with a curved display and 120Hz of screen refresh rate. All of that for below 9,000 pesos? But hindi. Pag-usapan natin after this quick intro. Ang Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus na may 8 plus 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage is priced at 8,999, and I'll post the link on the description box below. So, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang design. Sobra ako namangha dito sa design na ito. Normally, ang HOT series, very normal lang kanyang design. Kasi very budget-friendly ang series na yun, but not this one. Kita natin ang ganda ng kanyang likod. I really love it kasi smooth ang likod niya. Plus, hindi siya fingerprint magnet kasi matte finish ang likod niya. And this what I have is the titanium gray variant. Sobrang okay siya. These are the camera modules dito sa likod, which looks kinda unique on its own. Magandang kanyang display, I'll be honest. Plus, curved screen display siya. So, this is probably one of the things I love about this phone. Kasi if you're one of my follower, alam mo mahilig ako sa mga curved display. Ito pinaka-believe ko. 6.8mm thick lang siya. Sobrang nipis ito phone na ito. I don't know how Infinix made it, pero believe ako, sobrang nipis. Plus yung kanyang price point is sobrang jaw-dropping. Imagine mo, no, dati you have to pay mga 20,000-30,000 pesos to get a super-duper slim phone like this. Ang ginawa ni Infinix, below 9,000 pesos, meron ka ng slim phone like this one, which never ever ko nakita pa since then. Now, this phone comes in 3 colors. Meron siyang titanium gray, slick black, and of course, ang kanyang dreamy purple. Hawak ko right now is the titanium gray. And did you know guys na itong phone na ito comes with a Titan wing architecture? Ano nga ba yung Titan wing na yun? It is a technology ni Infinix that combines both yung kanyang pagka-slim and ang kanyang pagka-durable. It's the industry-leading architecture that delivers flagship-like performance inside a mid-range phone. Kaya with the Titan wing architecture, this phone is definitely slim and definitely durable. Another good invention ni Infinix. Now, this phone is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G100, and it's probably one of the first gaming phones to have this chipset. Nung nirate ko siya sa Antutu benchmark, it gave me a good 446,000 points. And this is the breakdown score. 385 ang kanyang loop score dito sa OneLab Extreme and 97% ang kanyang stability. Ito ang score na nakuha ko sa Geekbench sa kanyang CPU benchmark, GPU benchmark. And looking good din ang kanyang thermals. No throttling detected. Now guys, this phone has 5,000 mAh of battery and it can support up to 33 watts na fast charging. And good news sa mga gamers out there, this phone, despite being a budget gaming phone, guys, may bypass charging siya included. So, sobrang good sa phone na ito, no? Imagine, no, at this price point, dati, I could hardly have any bypass charging kung yung phone ko is not above 20,000 pesos. Ngayon, it's possible dito sa Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus. The charging this phone from 0 to 100 takes you mga 1.5 hours to complete the full charging cycle. And nung nirate ko manually itong kanyang screen on time this phone na ito, under 50% brightness and 60Hz of screen refresh rate, 13 hours and 51 minutes ang nakuha natin. Kasi nag-fail siya multiple times sa PC Mark, I'm not quite sure kung bakit nag-fail, no? So, minanol test natin. And this is what I got. Now, one of the highlights dito sa phone na ito is that this is IP54 dust and water resistant. So, meaning if you're out there, pag biglang umulan o malakas ang ulan, kung nawiwisi ka na babasa itong phone na ito, okay lang, wala kang magiging problema. As long as you don't drop this into a pool, mag-swimming or underwater photography, you should be okay. And another upside dito sa phone na ito, it has a 5 years na fluency. Meaning 5 years of guaranteed smoothness, and it's being certified by TUV. Now, this phone has a 6.78-inch na AMOLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate and a curved display. Now, I would say na ang ganda na kanilang display. To my surprise, at this price point, normally you just get an IPS LCD. But dito, hindi lang AMOLED display, nakakuha ka pa ng curved AMOLED display. So imagine how Infinix is bringing down the price para ma-afford ng lahat ng tao ang mga ganitong kaganda ka-premium na phone. Dati, mabibili mo lang talaga to sa mga above 20,000 pesos. But ngayon, I'm surprised that Infinix is doing everything they can para ibigay sa inyo ang mga experience na hindi nyo na-experience dati. Making good stuff affordable. Now, if you're browsing on socials dito, expect mo a good experience dahil smooth naman ang kanyang browsing experience dito. Be it sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or sa YouTube Shorts, dalagang smooth na experience ko naman dito. Since this one has a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level, pwede ka rin manood ng HD dito sa Netflix. Nung nanonood ako ng YouTube dito sa phone nito, I was having a good time kasi ang ganda na kanyang display. The colors are punchy. And the viewing experience is quite good. Now, since this one has dual speaker and sounds by JBL, so gusto ko lang pakinggan ninyo kung gaano kaganda ang kanilang sounds. Let's try. Now, to my surprise, malakas ang kanyang sounds and it's way above average. For me, it's really a good sound tripping experience. Na maglaro muna tayo and I played 3 games dito, Honor of Kings, Call of Duty Mobile, and Farlight 84. Nung nilaro ko Honor of Kings, I was given a good experience dito. Though I'm quite new lang dito sa game na ito, but the experience was really great. I would say na setting it to the best graphical settings na pwede na dito sa phone na ito, and the gameplay was quite smooth. There's a few frame drops along the way, pero it's just very minor, and okay naman ang kanyang touch response. The sounds is good, and the gameplay was good. Medyo mainit nga lang siya, no? Umabot siya ng 44 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Pagdating naman sa Call of Duty Mobile, okay, the gameplay was okay. The sound was great. The touch response is okay. I have no problem with this kasi naglaro ako ng halos 5 VR matches dito kasi medyo naaliw naman ako dito kasi ang nipis niyang hawakan, which is probably one of the good thing dito kaya na hindi mabigat sa kamay. And after an hour of gameplay, medyo mainit siya at around mga 45 degrees Celsius. Now, nilaro din natin ang Farlight 84 to test out and nilagyan natin sa medium graphical settings. And this game, okay siya. But there are times na mafe-feel mo after the first 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes, okay, medyo smooth siya. And after playing beyond 15 minutes, doon mo mafe-feel na medyo may kunting sluggishness na siya. So, mafe-feel mo there are some minor frame drops along the way. Lalo na kung nang sa sniper scope ka makita mo or medyo nagda-dash ka, yun na mapapansin mo parang medyo napopos siya ng konti. But it's nothing really serious. The gameplay was okay, smooth naman siya, but expect some minor frame drops along the way. But for me, not bad kasi I was able to get a good experience dito sa Farlight 84 on a budget gaming phone like this one. And playing after an hour, medyo mainit, umabot siya ng 48 degrees Celsius, so I would recommend you to buy a cooler para mas mabilis lumamig dito sa phone mo. Napag-usapan natin right now ang kanyang camera. This one has a 50MP na main camera sensor, plus meron siyang depth sensor dito and auxiliary lens. Ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 8MP na sensor, and both rear and front can shoot you up to 2K and 30 FPS. So guys, right now mag-analyze tayo ng some shots na nakuha ko from the outdoor using its camera. And this is just a very simple shot. Makita natin itong leaves na ito, no? It's a little bit saturated, yes. But mapapansin mo yung tubig na nandito, nakapatak dito, is maganda yung kanyang detail, no? Not the best, but I would say at this price point, I ain't complaining kasi ang ganda ng kanyang pagkakuha dito. And probably another nice shot na gusto ko pakita sa inyo is itong flower na ito, which is full of details, which probably I would say na namangha ako sa shot na ito dahil it's really good. Taking some more shots from the outdoor, makita mo yung ganda ng separation ng subject from the background is good. And some simple shot like this one, ang bilis niya mag-focus dito sa mga malilit na bulaklak dito and blurring it all the way to the background. Plus itong pink na shot na ito, no? There are some other cameras na medyo hirap kunin tong pagka-pink nito, but this one I think it was able to render it good, as well as this purple flower. And further taking some other shots from the outdoor, looks pretty nice and pretty decent as well. Now, pag dinala mo naman itong phone na to on indoor, I would say na okay, it was able to take in some good low light shot. And using yung kanyang portrait mode, maganda naman kanyang pagka-focus sa subject and blurring all the way to the background. And as well as this shot, I would say na natuwa ako sa shot na ito. No? Ang ganda ng focus na dito, ang ganda pagka-blur sa background is pretty smooth. And taking just a simple shot sa loob ng coffee shop, I would say na this looks cozy. If you happen to take some food shot naman, kaya naman na mag-perform. Not the best, but I would say at this price point, it looks pretty decent. Taking some shots like this one from the grocery looks nice, and of course, taking some flower shot like this, I'd say mabilis na siya mag-focus, and I would say na ang ganda na focus na dito sa rose na ito. Since magpapasko na, I was able to take some Christmas decor shot, and it looks pretty nice from this angle. Now, tinry na natin mag-zoom din, and this is a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. Looks pretty good, and makita mo pa rin all of the details after zooming for 2 times. And sa outdoors naman, this is how it looks like on a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. And I would say na kaya din naman night photography using the night mode. Was able to take some quick snaps like this one. Looks good. Now, kung ang hiling mo naman ay selfie on outdoor, I would say ang daming details sa akin mukha. And pretty nice and decent talaga ng front-facing camera. To my surprise, Kaya pagdating naman sa indoor, as long as maganda namang lighting, it will be able to get you some really nice shot din as well. To my surprise, ang gandang selfie camera looks nice. And using the front-facing camera to take a vlog, I would say na, okay, not so bad, pero medyo shaky nga lang siya. But you can always turn on yung anti-shake mode. Suffer nga lang konti ang kanyang resolution. And using naman ka ng rear camera, I would say na maganda ka ng resolution, except that talagang shaky lang talaga siya. Now, for both front and rear cameras, you can turn on tong anti-shake mode niya, pero yung nga lang magsasuffer siya down to 1080p and 30 fps. Pati sa harap, ganun din. Instead of 2K, magiging 1080p and 30 fps na lang siya. Now guys, how can you not be amazed with this phone? Just below 9,000 pesos, you'll be getting a super nice phone like this. Sobrang ganda, sobrang slim niya. Meron siya 5 years of fluency. The camera is pretty decent. The sounds is pretty good. And the gaming experience is pretty nice para sa kanyang price point. Now for me, this phone is definitely a solid purchase, lalo magpapasko na. And I'm pretty sure na gusto mo magregalo ng something for yourself. Consider this one, Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus. I'm pretty sure that you're going to love this phone. So grab the Infinix HOT 50 Pro Plus starting at a price point of 7,299 and the Infinix HOT 50 at a starting price of 5,999 with up to 1,200 pesos off, live giveaways, and free shipping, only exclusive sa TikTok shop ni Infinix this October 29. Limited time offer while stocks last. So if you want to know kung saan na pwede mabili ito phone na ito, link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. Any subscription to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you on my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.